Newton's first law of motion. Have you ever wondered why objects keep moving or stay still? It's all about Newton's first law of motion and the fascinating concept of inertia. Newton's first law, also called the law of inertia, states that objects in motion stay in motion and objects at rest stay at rest unless acted upon by an external force. To see how this works in everyday life, let's explore some examples of inertia. When you throw a ball in space, it keeps moving because there's no air resistance or gravity to stop it. Likewise, we wear seatbelts in cars because when cars stop, inertia keeps our bodies moving forward unless something like a seatbelt stops us. It is better to have a seatbelt stop our bodies than the windshield of a car. Inertia is directly proportional to mass, meaning that an object with more mass has more inertia than an object with less mass. When you go food shopping, the empty cart you have at the beginning of your trip has less inertia and is easier to push than the full cart of food you have at the end of your trip. The same idea goes for driving cars and trucks. A person driving a small Volkswagen Bug will not require as much time to stop as a person driving a large delivery truck. We can use our knowledge of the law of inertia to our advantage. Satellites orbit Earth by balancing gravity and inertia. Knowing the satellite's mass, we can set its speed so that the inertia and gravity are equally balanced, causing it to stay in orbit around the Earth. Understanding how inertia and Newton's first law work help us navigate space and stay safe on Earth.